Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through alpha testing versus beta testing. So in this lecture, we'll be going just through the differences guys, okay? So alpha testing, if you recall, I told you, alpha testing is done in the developer environment and in the company environment, right? So done by the customer at the developer side, okay? So in the environment of the developer, so done at the customer, done by the customer at the customer or user side. So in their home, they can sit and do it. There is no technical issue that you need to come to the company, you need to communicate with us. There is nothing like that, okay? So conducted in a controlled environment, that is nothing but in the presence of developer. Controlled means, so basically if something goes wrong, he'll be there, right? So you will be just struggling by clicking the button. So he'll be saying that, oh no, this is not a button, this is just an image. He'll be saying that like that. So you are in a controlled environment where the developer is helping you. Whereas in beta testing, there is nothing like that. So that it is not under the control of the developer, guys. So conducted in real-time environment, like a real user. So basically, if you are a user, so assume that you are using YouTube and the server gone down. So one day it went down. So that's the reason why I'm saying the example. Okay. So you cannot do anything, right? If you are a employee or you are at YouTube studio or YouTube original office, so then you can say them, right? So this is the issue, so the servers are down, you can inform them. So that is the difference here, guys. So conducted in real-time environment, not under developers control, okay? So the difference again, so not open to market or public. So here the program or the application is not yet released to the public, guys. Whereas here it is open to market and public. So here there is a special condition, that is it will be in specific countries only. They will not release the worldwide they will not give for everyone access. Everyone if applies, they will not give for everyone. They will be giving for specific members and in specific areas only, okay? Similarly, alpha testing is carried out before the release of the product, whereas beta testing is done after the release of the product. Similarly, here error faults are recorded. So basically I told you, developer will be taking a piece of paper or something and he'll be just noting down what are the issues and everything. Whereas here you need to generate a report and you need to post it to them, right? Okay, so the best examples here in alpha testing are nothing but white box testing plus black box testing. Guys, don't worry about these words. We'll be dedicating a video for white box testing and black box testing. So you'll be getting a clear idea about that thing. Okay, don't worry. Whereas in beta testing, it is only black box. Okay, so in simple words, if you ask me, so white box is nothing but, so white, what is white, guys? What is the white color if you ask? So if you paint for a glass, so what is glass, guys? Glass is nothing but transparent, right? So so I'll be first going through the black box. So assume this is a black box, guys. Okay, you are not able to see what is inside it. So if you give some input, it will be giving the output. That's it. You don't know what internally the structures, the implementation, the code, you don't know anything. That is nothing but black box. Whereas white box is nothing but you can see everything. It is transparent. So this is the function, this is the main, this is the that, this is this. You can see, you can observe it with your eyes or with your observation. So that comes under black box testing. So you know what the input is going, what are the steps that is going, like that, okay? So I hope everyone got some basic idea about alpha and beta testing. Guys, don't worry about white box and black box. We'll be discussing in our next lectures, don't worry. Okay, so in the next lecture, we'll be going through system testing, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.